If you want to add another account to your Instagram, then what you do, open Instagram, tap on the profile icon here, go to menu, settings, select add account. Now if you have already created a new Instagram account, then you have to select log into existing account. But if you don't have, and if you want to create a new account, you have to select create new account. For me, I will select log into existing account. Now I have to enter the username for the Instagram account and then select login. So I have added another account in Instagram. Now if you want to switch between the accounts, what you do, tap on the profile icon here, tap on this username here, and then you can select the username which you want to log in. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.